Hey guys, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the old school versus new school car show at the Adamec Harley Davidson on Bay Meadows in Jacksonville. And this is Car Show Cam. This was a great show. It actually turned out to be a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Because there were like 4 or 5 other car shows going on the same day at the same time. So to have it as big as it was awesome. Anyway,
yeah.
It's a continuous lane, idiot.
Where's he going?
I think he's trying to figure that out himself.
There's Steve. I didn't know if he'd come all the way down here or not.
I didn't either.
Tell her you're... No, we're going there. We're car show.
Okay.
Morning. Now you gotta find a spot.
I think I saw some back around the side over here.
Yeah. Man, if we'd been any later, we wouldn't have got a spot, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll back in next to that Cadillac.
Okay. You gotta wipe her down.
Actually, I think I'll nose in next to that Cadillac on the other side.
Yeah. Why?
Looking at that.
Yeah. Are you gonna flip her around? There's the coffee truck. You know I can barely reach the pedal, the seat's so far up.
Alright, now you should be able to back it straight up.
Alright.
It's nice.
Well, I'm just gonna have to take the curb. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I missed the other cones. What? Why? Oh. I don't know where this asshole thinks they're going.
There's a spot down there.
Is there? Spit that shit out.
Huh?
Spit that shit out.
I didn't hawk up anything.
Okay. We didn't put the cones back.
I put one back.
Okay. I ain't buckling up because I gotta get out.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody put cones out in front of the car.
That's because she works here. Man, look at that one. The white one here, parked
Yeah.
with the green.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I saw it earlier.
I saw it and didn't get a picture of it because I couldn't find it.
Yeah. You want me to get a picture?
Yeah.
I'll try.
Girlie needs to learn to park that truck.
Yeah.
Cone! Cone again!
Mm-hmm. I think you're okay, dear.
Making sure she wouldn't hit that back up.
Yeah. I got you a picture.
Okay, good. Because I come hunting it and couldn't find it.
Yeah.
Guess I was like, damn, that's a good looking motorcycle.
I don't know what prominence is.
An elephant? A little rough there.
Yeah. North.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the old school versus new school car show at the Adamec Harley Davidson. It was a great show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop us a like or a comment. Maybe even subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Share the video around to your people, your friends, your family, your contacts. Doesn't matter who. Just if they're into cars, share the video. It helps the channel.